Hazrat Zohri has reported from Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu that a man came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if a man finds another man committing adultery with his wife, will you kill him if he, the husband, kills him, or what should he do? Whereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed the command of mutual imprecation in the Quran. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to that man, you and your wife's case has been decided. So they both invoked imprecations against each other, while I was also present there in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then the man forsook that woman. So it was made a rule that those who invoke imprecation against each other should be separated. At that time, that woman was pregnant, but the husband refused to own that conception. So that boy was ascribed to his mother. Thereafter, in case of inheritance, it was made a directive that those mother and son would inherit each other, and they would get the portion which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had prescribed for them. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4746.